Hi there, this is a Drake L4B Linear Amplifier, and this is the Harbauch board for sale that I've installed. And there was a resistor missing on this board. R9 was missing. I got that back in. Luckily, the nice gentleman at Harbauch sent me the resistor and replaced Q1 and Q2. Anyway, this is how the board's supposed to work. So turn on the switch, and you'll see the tubes will come on, not so bright, and then it will click in and have full power. So you'll go across this 12 ohm resistor for warming up all the tubes on 110 volts. It'll be 24 ohms on 240 volts. I'm on 110 volts right now. So you'll see the tubes will light up when I flick the switch, and then it'll click and it'll go brighter. Here, take a watch. Once again, off, on, so you can hear it click, whoops, and the power light will go on brighter. That's it. That's how it's supposed to work. Now, let's see if the amp keys. So there's an opto isolator on this thing and all that. Anyway, the long and short is I should ground this wire on the box connection. It should click, and it does. Antenna relay. Not clicking so hard though. Now it's clicking. Is there current on the finals? Well, I don't have the high voltage connected up. Where am I going to connect it? All right, that's my little demo. Have a nice day.